gentle, tender, and soft. Milk and honey, for there is no lack, no need or want. Love creates. Trust is a bond between family, eloquent, graceful. Glimmer within the shimmer, the hues and silk and sleek, satin sheets, and sex appeal. Sex kitten, whispering might, gentle reminder love each other. Steel in love, platinum, titanium, in harmonious velocity resilience. All is well. Love earth, planet, sun, moon, and the new arrivals to come. Move ahead in time. No hourglass, just refined, better, more whole, more complete, and the essence in nature as a whole unified field of consciousness within herself. For she knows her creator, Shepa, and maker. Love earth, each other, and humanity. For life, ebb and flow she knows. She grows and blossoms through her vision, and in the night sky, the water and ether feel sublime. Like nature, appreciate being alive and grateful for this life. In peace I remain, peace I came to be, and peace she will be in her own motion. For God controls the heavens and controls his nature. Like the static in the air, the field of the heart, coherence to be a storm or calm, depending on your own outlook and inner vision. Your happiness depends on you. Love yourself and be patient within. Be your own guiding star. For the sun became one and became whole, and each one breathed and sang to be like the solar spiritual system. Seekers. Hums and swings in the sea of Genesis. Into the cosmos when life and throws you curveballs. Fascinating connection between our spiritual the answers lie within the vast universe heart around and soul us. Within Did you know that each planet in our solar system has its own unique spiritual energy? For within the manifestation, right. From the grounding energy of Earth to the expansive energy of Jupiter. From the each planet holds a special vibration and live within the ether and the sublime and everlasting love. Let's embark on this cosmic adventure together and discover the divine within us all. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more spiritual insights and cosmic explorations. Today, we're diving into the cosmos and exploring the fascinating connection between our spiritual nature and the vast universe around us. Did you know that each planet in our solar system has its own unique spiritual energy? That's right. From the grounding energy of Earth to the expansive energy of Jupiter, each planet holds a special vibration that can help us on our spiritual journey. So, let's embark on this cosmic adventure together and discover the divine within us all. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more spiritual insights and cosmic explorations. Namaste.